So you guys, you've been telling me that this fix only works for mid-game crashes, and that sometimes your game crashes before that, as you see in these comments here. So I was just gonna make a little follow-up video showing you guys another fix I think I found. I'm not 100% sure if this is actually working, but it just makes sense, because I think Apex Legends has a way where you can choose your RAM, how much RAM your computer uses, and if say you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, your computer's using up 6, but Apex is trying to use 4. That could cause it to crash. So I was thinking like, here I'll show you guys. Maybe if you change the amount of RAM you're using in Apex Legends, it can fix the crashing, because it won't be overloading it. It actually gives you an option in the settings. I didn't have this launched. My bad. I should have had it launched. Also, I just woke up not that long ago. That's why my voice sounds so bad. Anyway, to see, if you go here to video, and then you go down to where it says textured streaming budget, where it shows your RAM, you want it to be about, like, see, I have 8 gigabytes of DDR4. I probably should have 16, but I'm only using 3, because if I go to 4, it'll say that setting a larger streaming budget than recommended for VRAM detected. So you just want to change it back here, because I only have 3 gigabytes of VRAM available for me. See, if I go here to my task manager, and I go here, my memory, I have in use 6 gigabytes of my memory being used. So that means I have 4 left. Or, no, that means I have 2 left. I thought I had 10. So then, I'm actually going over, but it's counting the game right now. So I have 3 gigabytes just for Apex Legends. See, if your stuff is on 8 gigabytes of RAM, but you only have 8, that's gonna crash your computer, like, immediately. Or your Apex. So, it's probably better if you just, turn that down to 3. I don't have really any issues. I always have about 200 FPS, like 150 in game. My settings are on low though to stop it from crashing. And then, like I said, do the other video, turning it to where your easy anti-cheat just restarts if it crashes. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Just make sure you don't go over your like amount of memory you have, and you should be pretty good.